everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nita. So today's video, I have decided to bring to you 5 daily habits that will make your marriage stronger. So if you want the bond between you and your spouse to grow stronger and stronger, these 5 daily habits is going to blow your mind. So if you intentionally practice these 5 daily habits, I guarantee you that your marriage will grow stronger and stronger. So if you want to know what those 5 daily habits are that will make your marriage grow stronger, be sure to subscribe, like, share this video, and drop your comments down below. So let's dive in. So the very first step is to enjoy living and returning rituals. There are at least 2 times to connect with your partner easily during the day. When you leave each other and when you return back to each other. Making out time for each other before stepping out of the door will definitely set a positive tone and even help to make a difficult or stressful morning just a little better. And a warm welcome from each other when you return home works the same way. Walking into the house at the end of the day and not being acknowledged by your partner can contribute to the belief of these 3 things. 1, that your spouse is not happy to see you. 2, doesn't really care whether you're there or not. 3, you're not a priority. And all these can contribute in breaking the bond in your marriage. But when you prioritize each other, make out time for each other by enjoying your living and returning rituals, your marriage will become stronger. So the second daily habit is to share your day. Sharing your daily experiences with each other as a way of increasing intimacy. It may not be something so interesting, it can be the same old story, but even though your partner still needs to know, it is important to know what is happening in each other's life when you are apart. So, in order to strengthen your relationship, ask about your partner's day and be present when your partner is sharing the details. So, if you can make this conversation last more than a few minutes, it will really help make your marriage stronger because it is in these moments you're building intimacy. And you have to do this with much care and attention. So the third daily habit that will make your marriage stronger is to check in with one another. This is also very powerful because it is very easy to get caught up with work and other responsibilities, thereby putting your relationship on hold until you have more time. But checking in with one another during the day is as simple as sending a short text. Taking a few minutes to check in sends the message that you're thinking of your partner and also looking forward to seeing each other. This is very powerful because it is a gesture of intimacy. It's a great edge against any temptation to engage in physical or emotional infidelity. So the fourth daily habit that will make your marriage stronger is to say I love you in your partner's love language. So if your partner's love language is act of service, for instance, if your husband is taking out the trash, and of course that's the sexiest thing he can possibly do. So he may need to hear words of affirmation to feel loved. You can strengthen your relationship with daily affirmations of love that will help keep the love alive and vibrant. And I can tell you that those declarations are most meaningful if they are expressed in the way that your partner, your spouse, really experience love. So the last but not the least, which is the fifth daily habit that will make your marriage stronger, is going to bed at same time. I know that this can be a struggle in marriage because your partner can be a night person while you are a morning person. But if you can fight your nocturnal instincts, you can draw yourselves closer together. It's much easier to be physically intimate when you are in the same place at the same time. Even if one of you is not ready to sleep, You can spend this quiet time together and then you get back up once your partner falls asleep. And doing this often will create the opportunity for intimacy when the mood strikes. The little things you do every day for your partner informs them that you're thinking of them, that you care about them and the relationship. And these little daily habits can make your marriage stronger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, share, like, and drop your comments down below. I will see you in my next one. Bye.